Hi everyone, we're looking at a 2007 Pontiac Solstice GXP. I've been looking around the internet and some of the tips about working on a Solstice itself. And one of the problems that comes up is when you get a code error P0119. And it tells you that one of the things to do is to change the coolant temperature sensor. And people just don't know where it is. So I thought I would show you today. So we'll go inside, pop the hood. Okay, so here, of course, you're looking at the GXP, and it's got the turbo, but the positioning of the temperature sensor is actually in the same place for the base models. So I want to show you, here's the turbo for the GXP. If you were going to go after the coolant sensor, you'd want to remove this guard just so you can get your fingers down in it. But if you look right down there, there it is. You can see it's got a little soft guard over, or a heat protector over the wiring. And I don't know if you can see it there. There's that heat protecting down at the bottom there. See if I can get my finger down there to show you. So again, there's the sensor, right hand side of the engine, at the back. Now some people say it's a bit tough to get down there with the turbo in the way it is. The base models and the turbo are the way you can get your hands in there fairly easy. And if I were to do it, because of the vacuum procedure that you have to go through to change or to add coolant, if I had to do it, I would just have the new one ready to go, pull the old one off, make sure, of course, making sure the coolant or the engine is cold, and just plug the hole with my finger until I can get the new one in position. You will lose a little bit of antifreeze, but it won't be enough that you'll have to top much up. Okay, well, there it is. The coolant temperature sensor on a Pontiac Solstice. Have a good one, and good luck with your Solstice. I love mine.